When it comes to boiler radiant replacement in Los Gatos, California 95032, Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is an excellent choice. We are a reputable company with a highly skilled team of professionals specializing in heating systems, including boiler replacement, maintenance, and repair. Are you looking for boiler radiant replacement near me? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What is boiler radiant replacement? At Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment, we provide services to update or replace outdated boiler radiant heating systems, ensuring that your home operates with optimal efficiency and performance. Boiler radiant heating systems use water or air to circulate heat, ensuring your home stays warm at all times. What is the purpose of boiler radiant replacement? Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment understands that in order to keep your home's heating system dependable and efficient, it is essential to replace the radiators in your boiler. With the passage of time, a boiler's deterioration can lead to reduced efficiency, increased energy expenses, and possible heating problems. Where is your service area? The communities of Santa Cruz, Soquel, Capitola, Scotts Valley, Aptos, Watsonville, Los Gatos, Saratoga, Campbell, Morgan Hill, Marina, Cupertino, Pacific Grove, Gilroy, and San Jose are among the California towns that Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment is happy to serve. Where is your Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located? We are located at 303 Potrero St. Suite 198, Santa Cruz, CA 95060, United States. Our phone number is 831-999-2029. Visit our website, https://santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Santa Cruz Plumbing Draining Water Heater Repair/